Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into WooCommerce WordPress dashboard detailed guide step by step clearly. To log into your WooCommerce WordPress dashboard, first, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type your website's URL followed by /wpadmin and press enter. This will take you to the WordPress login page. You will see fields for your username and password. Enter your WordPress username in the first field. Next, enter your WordPress password in the second field. If you want your browser to remember your login details, check the box that says Remember Me. Once you have filled in your username and if your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to the WordPress dashboard. Once logged in, look for the WooCommerce option in the left-hand menu. Click on WooCommerce to access the WooCommerce specific settings and features. If you encounter an error message, check to ensure that your username and password are entered correctly. If you have forgotten your password, click the Lost Your Password link to reset it. Follow the instructions sent to your email to create a new password. After successfully logging in, take some time to familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. You can now start managing your products, orders, and settings in WooCommerce. Make sure to log out after your session is complete for security reasons. To log out, hover over your username in the top right corner and click on Log Out. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.